Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a blinking red light on your Alexa smart plug in 2025, you're in the right place. This common issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often an easy fix related to connectivity, power problems, or software glitches. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to get your device back up and running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First things first, start with the basics. Unplug your Alexa smart plug from the power source, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple reset can resolve minor issues and stop the blinking red light. If that doesn't work, check your power outlet. Sometimes, a faulty outlet is the culprit, so try plugging it into a different one. Next, open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Go to the Devices tab, select your smart plug, and look for any error messages. If you see something about connectivity, restart the app by closing it completely and reopening it. This can clear temporary glitches and help re-establish the connection. Now, let's tackle Wi-Fi. Ensure your smart plug is within range of your router and that your network is stable. In the Alexa app, go to Settings, Device Settings, select your plug, and choose to forget and reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're using the correct password and that your router isn't experiencing issues. If the problem persists, it's time to update everything. Check for updates in the Alexa app under Settings, About, and also ensure your smart plug's firmware is up to date through the app. Outdated software is a frequent cause of blinking lights. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the button on your Alexa smart plug for about 20 seconds until the light flashes or turns off. Then, set it up again from scratch in the Alexa app. Remember, this will erase any custom settings, so use it only if necessary. There you have it. Your Alexa smart plug should now be blinking red no more. If you follow these steps, you'll be back to controlling your devices hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you next time.